Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today, I'm gonna make cinnamon bun. Look what I got.
Can I talk now?
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Candace. This is my daughter Ava, and on my channel we talk about all things motherhood, lifestyle, home decor, and I also do some vlogging. So if that sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. Right into today's video. I have my lovely sous chef here with me. We've washed our hands, we're ready to dig in, and today we are doing the famous TikTok cinnamon roll hack. You only need a few things to actually pull this off, and we went a little extra just because I'm extra. And yeah, so we're gonna do the pecan ones. You just need your cinnamon rolls, and you want to get the grands. I tried this once before and I did the small ones. Don't make the same mistake. Get the grands. You need a little bit of brown sugar. You want to show them the brown sugar? Pick it up. Yep. Pick it up. Hold it up so they can see it. You need your brown sugar. Thank you. You need some butter. And this is actually some homemade butter that Ava and I made last week. You are going to need some icing. Here you go, baby. Some icing. And in our situation, we're gonna do the pecan one. So you need your pecans, and you need a little bit of caramel drizzle. And let's go ahead and open our cinnamon rolls.
We're gonna just crack it. Crack it.
I actually hate doing this because it pops open. Pull it. You ready?
Yeah.
Oop.
Just pop it.
Wait, let me get a spoon.
I can do this.
Yeah, put it down. Pop it.
No, I can do this. I think I can do this.
Gets me every time.
I just did it, Mommy.
Yes.
I did it.
Good job.
Oh, so big.
So you'll want to take about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and just go ahead and pour that into your dish. I took a little extra cream and topped all of my cinnamon rolls with it. The cinnamon rolls really absorb that milk, and that's what gets them to fluff up so much. Then go ahead and pop your butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds or until it's nicely melted.
Come on.
Now you'll want to take your melted butter and brown sugar and give it a good mix. We ended up using about 1 cup of brown sugar, and you just keep mixing until you get the consistency that you see here. Now this part you'll want to just measure with your heart. I love the taste of cinnamon, so I kind of just let Ava go for it until I felt like it was enough. The recipe doesn't call for any vanilla extract, but I thought that it would be a nice little touch, so I just threw a little capful in there, and then we continued to mix. Oh yeah, did I mention I like the taste of cinnamon? So before pouring our mixture over it, we just gave each of those cinnamon rolls another good dash of that cinnamon, and then you're just gonna wanna pour your brown sugar mixture right on top of each of the cinnamon rolls.
So when you finish doing your whole little concoction, it should look a little something like this. Can you see that? And then I'm just gonna cover it with some foil and pop it in the oven.
I set my oven to 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and I took the aluminum foil off for the last 5 minutes just so they can brown a little. First, I used the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls and just drizzled that all over. And then I took some cream cheese frosting that I had already, and I just spread that all over those cinnamon rolls until it was nice and gooey. I mean, you guys, come on, how delicious do these look? I mean, they already look so yummy, just like this, but we're gonna take it an extra step further. So for Ava's cinnamon rolls, we decided to add some strawberries and a little bit of coconut whipped cream. Look at how amazing that looks. Now for my cinnamon roll, I decided to add chopped pecans. I got a little more of that cream cheese frosting, and then I drizzled the caramel all over my cinnamon roll. And oh my goodness, you guys, look at this cinnamon roll. So delicious.
So we got our final results for our cinnamon bun hack. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to taste it. Ava, are you excited to taste yours?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's dig in. Give it a try.
Okay.
Do you need me to break yours, one of yours off?
No.
Here, try this piece. Try that piece.
Wait.
Oh, she's got to spread hers out. Mmm. This is so good. How does yours taste?
Very good.
As you can see, Ava can't stop eating hers. This cinnamon bun hack was a definite success, okay? This is so yummy. I will probably always make them this way now. I'm never gonna just like pop them in the oven the regular way again. You can have it so many different ways. Ava has strawberries with cream on hers. I have pecans with a caramel drizzle. Oh my gosh, you guys, it tastes so good. But I'm gonna eat this now while it's still hot. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.